Hey, welcome everybody. I'm here with Martijn. Martijn passed his evaluation very quickly in only 20 days with great performance. So I believe he has a lot of valuable information to share with all of us. So Martin, how are you?
Hey, so I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands, close to Amsterdam.
To Amsterdam, great city.
Yeah.
And how long have you been trading?
I've been trading for over 2 years now, and of these 2 years, I've been consistent for over a year.
It took you 1 year to get consistent.
Yeah, a lot of work went into it, but yeah, it took me about 1 year.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So Martin, why don't you go ahead and tell us a bit about your trading routine?
My trading routine, yeah, it's not that difficult. I'm a swing trader, so I'm not 24/7 or not every minute on the chart. So the thing I do is when I wake up, mostly I wake up around 6 a.m., maybe earlier. And when I wake up, I just first of all check if there are any signals from the charts. So maybe price shoot up in a zone or to a key level. Then I check that. If there's nothing, I just take a shower or get to wash my face, do my thing, eat something, meditate, and then check the charts again, see if I haven't missed anything. And then when I've done all of that, I just go about my day and I go work and do things like that.
So how much time you actually sit in front of the computer and do trading?
I think every day I'm in total maybe about an hour. And that's just checking the charts, checking if I haven't missed anything, looking if the price is reacting to certain key levels, and yeah, overall just monitoring the charts and not really actively trading during the day. So yeah, it's mostly monitoring and looking at the charts.
Okay, and you let your trades run. You don't do intraday trading. You're more like a swing trader or position.
Yeah, I'm more like a swing trader. So when I set a trade, I set a stop loss and I set a take profit and a level where my stop loss is going to break even. And next to that, I just wait until one of those levels is reached. So the stop loss, the break even point, or the profit level. And in between that, maybe I just check the charts once in a while. But I'm not really looking back at it anymore. And I just let the market move in the way it wants to move.
Yes.
So yeah.
Great. I want to... I see your super high risk reward ratio, which is 6-to-1.
Yeah.
Which is very impressive. And that makes all your system to be profitable, as we see on your profit factor.
Mm-hmm.
How do you achieve such a high risk reward ratio?
To be honest, the risk reward ratio is not that big overall. But on the evaluation period, the strike rate and the risk reward is very big because I had a lot of winners. I had like a winning streak, and when I opened the evaluation, the winning streak was just starting. And yeah, when I ended the evaluation, the winning streak was, I guess, just ended. And yeah, because there weren't many trades that were losers, the risk reward ratio is so high.
Okay.
But overall, I just use a risk reward ratio of 1-to-3 or 1-to-4 overall.
Okay, that's your filters for your trades.
Yeah.
Great. And I believe you trade based on supply and demand and key levels. So would you like sharing with other traders a bit about your reading of the market or your strategies or whatever you want.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I just use a basic approach of supply and demand. I've backtested a lot, like really a lot, and I like to keep it simple. My chart isn't that messy. My chart is just I have just a few zones that I'm watching. Mostly it's just one zone that I'm really watching, or trend lines that need to be broken in order to create some new supply and demand zones. And when that's done, I just wait until the zone is reached. And when that is reached, I'm going to place my trades. I'm going to look for the entries that my strategy tells me to take. And yeah, whenever that happens, I just take it. And as I told before, I just wait and monitor the market, and yeah, just watch what the market does and what the market wants. And from the backtest perspective, it's just it works in the end. So maybe it's a loser, maybe it's a winner. I don't really care, because I know in the end that it's going to win. It has a positive strike rate. It has a positive win rate, or risk reward ratio. So I know in the end that it doesn't really matter if this trade is a winner or loser, because in the end it's probably going to win. And when consistently taking those trades, I found and I backtested that is just a great way to do it. And in the end, it will mostly be positive.
Yeah, so you trade, you trust your system and you don't focus on.
Yeah, definitely. I trust my system, and also it is a mechanical system, so it is a rule-based system, and because of that, there also is a little bit of discretion, but mostly it's just rule-based. And whenever the rules tell me to take a trade, I just take the trade and let it go. So
Great. So this is your statistics for your evaluation period. You needed to accomplish and to get $600, which you made more than that.
yeah.
You got paid for that, since this was made on a real account.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'll go ahead and share your other account, your bigger account.
Yeah.
Which is this one right here. You just got started. You're already profitable. You're already up. This is your starting point, and you're already profitable. And now here you have to make 10% on this account in order to get a double account, a double in size account.
Yeah.
So I see here, although you're just starting out, still your risk reward is very, very high, which is great.
Yeah, I just had a few losers, so it's yeah. It was fun if you did it last week, because I had when I started, I had 2 winners. They gained like 6%. Then last week I had, I guess, like 2 or 3 losers. That's not a big mistake or anything. It's just probability, and yeah,
Great.
It's going great as it is.
Yeah, it is. So Martin, maybe for final words, anything you want to add or tell us about your overall experience with the 5ers?
Yeah, anything I want to add to new traders watching this video and thinking, how can he do it, but I can't, or maybe not yet. Just find an approach that works, or find an approach, learn a strategy from someone you can sort of trust, and he is really profitable. He is not showing off his cars or his fancy yachts, or just selling his crap course. Just find that or create it. And if you have backtested over 3 years, 4 years, 5 years of data, and you know that strategy works, just execute it and just make it work. And it doesn't matter how long it takes, but just keep executing, keep working on it, keep making it better, and just don't just say, oh, this strategy is shit, it doesn't work, I'm going to the next. If you know that one strategy really works, stick to it and just follow it. It is not necessary to jump from one strategy to another. I've been doing this for over a year now, and in that year I became profitable. Before that it was just so many things that I wasn't really know what I was looking for, and I was just trading like support and resistance, or then I was trading indicators, and then I was trading this and that, and that didn't work. You have to really choose one thing that you know that works, and mostly that is not with indicators. I know a lot of guys that just are very good at trading with mostly price-based action trades, and I found that is the best way to trade. And of course there are guys that use indicators and sort of stuff, but overall just find something that works for you, that fits your schedule, that is also profitable, and execute. That's it.
Fantastic.
Doesn't have to be that hard, but just do it.
Yeah, keep it simple.
Yeah, keep it simple. Exactly.
Great. Yeah, great words. So Martijn, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and thank you very much. And I wish you success on this account, and I'll see you forward in your way.
Yeah, no worries. It was a pleasure meeting you, and we're looking forward to speaking to you again.
Yeah, for sure. And have a nice day, and thank you very much, Martijn.
Yeah, thank you too, and no worries. So
bye
then.